Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ghost for subscription publishing and monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Ghost for subscription publishing and monetization, first, ensure you have a server environment ready. You can use services like DigitalOcean, AWS, or even a local setup for testing. Next, access your server through SSH using a terminal or command prompt. Once logged in, update your package manager to ensure all software is up to date. For Ubuntu, the command is sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade. Now, install node.js, which is required for Ghost to run properly. You can do this by running curl sl https://deb.nodesource. After installing node.js, check the version using node v to confirm it's installed correctly. Next, install SQLite or MySQL as your database. For SQLite, just install the package by running sudo apt install SQLite 3. To create a new directory for your Ghost installation, use mdir/var/www/ghost and navigate into it with cd. Now, use npm to install Ghost by running sudo npm install Ghost. Once the installation is complete, set up Ghost by executing sudo ghost install. During setup, you'll be prompted to enter your site URL and configure your email service. Ensure you have your email provider's SMTP settings handy for this. After completing the setup, Ghost will automatically start running. Next, verify that Ghost is running by navigating to your site URL in a web browser. You should see the Ghost welcome screen, indicating the installation was successful. Log into your Ghost admin panel by appending /ghost to your site URL. Use the credentials you set up during installation to access your dashboard. Within the dashboard, navigate to the settings to configure subscription plans. Create tiers according to your monetization strategy for your content. Once configured, you can start publishing posts with subscription options. Finally, consider integrating your site with payment gateways for seamless transactions. Now, your Ghost installation is ready for subscription publishing and monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.